Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Wormhole coin. Ticker symbol is W. Now this coin is launching March 1st, which is tomorrow. We're going to go over the information on the Wormhole coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Now let's get into this token here. So, the Wormhole coin is being listed March 1st at 10:30 a.m. UTC time on an exchange called Bybit. So if you're looking to buy the W coin, all you'd have to do is download Bybit from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then go into the trade section and search W. And then simply just buy the token. Now, W is the native token that powers the Wormhole platform. W is a native Solana SPL token and Ethereum ERC20 token that leverages Wormhole native token transfers and can be transferred seamlessly to any Wormhole connected network. So you'll be able to get this token as well off decentralized exchanges. So Solana, you'll be able to get it because, Bybit isn't available in every area of the world. A lot of countries cannot use Bybit. So if you want to get this token off a decentralized exchange, you'll be able to get it off of Raydium with the Solana version, maybe Jupiter as well, by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Raydium and trading your Sol for the W token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, wormhole.com. And the same steps for Ethereum, but fund your wallet with ETH and then go into the dApps and find Uniswap. So it says here that, their webpage is wormhole.com, and their Twitter, I'm going to put up here in the corner of the screen here as usual, 301,000 Twitter followers at Wormhole Crypto on Twitter, over 3,500 tweets, blue verified checkmark. Wormhole is the leading interoperability platform powering multi-chain applications and bridges at scale, the web of Web3. And it says learn more on their webpage, but then it also has a full link tree that you can check out on their Twitter there that has tons of different links on it. It has developer documents, GitHub, newsletter you could subscribe to, get in touch. They have the Uniswap bridge assessment. They have 200 plus projects building with Wormhole. And then for socials, they have a Telegram, Discord, YouTube, and Twitter link, all on that link tree right there. So that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. And the rest of the links are going to be on their webpage where you could start integrating, use their multi-chain apps. So the web of Web3. Hundreds of companies and applications use Wormhole's blockchain connectivity platform to securely and scalably grow their user base, increase market share, and drive more on-chain activity. So their partners are Solana, Uniswap, obviously, Circle, Synthetics, DGods. I just did a video on the DGods token not too long ago. You can check that out. Hashflow, Backpack, Cosmos, Aptos, and Arbitrum. A platform for blockchain developers, Wormhole is an open source blockchain development platform connecting the decentralized web. So there's messaging. Foundational to Wormhole, the messaging protocol enables secure cross-chain transfers of tokens or data. Also queries any, pull any on-chain data to your app on any chain on demand. And integrate an in-app bridging widget in 3 lines of code. There's also a gateway where you can grow liquidity and users for Cosmos-based apps and chains. So 350 million plus messages have been sent. 200 plus applications build using that messaging. 6 runtime supported, 30 plus blockchain supported, and $35 billion plus value transferred. So Uniswap's most used cross-chain protocol, Wormhole, was the only unconditionally approved cross-chain protocol by Uniswap's Bridge Assessment Committee's security experts. So Wormhole received the top rating after Uniswap's multi-month deep technical analysis of 6 messaging protocols. The assessment framework consisted of 20 subcategories and over 130 assessment questions covering topics like security, decentralization, technical architecture, implementation risk, and operational risk. Wormhole was the only protocol approved without conditions for use in all cross-chain developments by Uniswap's committee. So Wormhole sends messages cross-chain using a variety of verification methods to attest to the validity of a message. These options are all available to developers in Wormhole's platform depending on the chains involved in a given transaction, and the verification methods will continue to grow over time to incorporate new technologies. So blockchains drive liquidity and user growth to your ecosystem from 23 plus other networks with modularity that provides you to choice of verification and relaying methods including SWI, Injective, Solana, Ethereum. So they have DeFi accelerate your total value locked in community growth while enjoying automatic relaying, and Wormholes connects in-app cross-chain widget in just 3 lines of code, including Frax, Synthetics, and Circle. Governance, so broadcast governance decision from your base chain to deployments on other networks using Wormhole's messaging and a simple one-directional message receiver. Examples would be Moonwell or Uniswap. There's bridging. Build bridge UIs with Wormhole's messaging to enable cross-chain token transfers for developers. And examples would be Mayan Swap, Allbridge Core, Carrier, etc. NFTs like DGods, take your NFT collection cross-chain using Wormhole's NFT burn and mint mechanism to expand your community's reach. And lastly, natively cross-chain apps including Pike, Synonym, Magpie, Hashflow build natively cross-chain apps such as cross-chain lending protocols using messaging along with other Wormhole integrations like Circle's CCTP. So, I mean, many use cases here, tons of information. It goes on about security, their ecosystem programs. You can get involved on their socials. Tons of links at the bottom of their webpage, document section. Check it all out, wormhole.com. And you can find the W token listed on Bybit as of tomorrow, March 1st. Check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, and leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about Wormhole? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.